Hi, I'm Bill Gallagher, President here at CFG Merchant Solutions. Welcome back to Small Biz Forum, where we break down business finance so you can grow with confidence. Let's talk about something every small business owner needs to understand: how to understand state business taxes. While federal business tax rules apply nationwide, state tax rules can vary a lot depending on what state you operate out of. Don't worry, we will also cover federal business tax rules in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. All right, let's begin. Step 1. Know why state taxes matter. Every state plays by its own rules. While federal tax rules apply nationwide, state taxes can differ wildly. That's why understanding your specific state's rules is crucial for staying compliant and profitable. Step 2. Learn the 3 common types of state business taxes. The first is income tax. Some states tax your business profits. Others, like Texas and Florida, don't. The second is sales tax. If you sell physical products or certain services, you may need to collect and send sales tax to your state. The third, final, most common tax is franchise or privilege tax. This is a fee that businesses pay for the privilege of operating legally in a state, regardless of whether they earn a profit. Step 3. Register with your state tax agency. Once you know what taxes apply to your business, head to your state's tax agency site and register your business. This unlocks access to the forms and info you'll need to stay compliant. Step 4. Stay organized and file on time. Missing deadlines can cost you. Set reminders and keep your records clean. Fines, interest, and even loss of good standing are risks of falling behind. State tax law can get tricky. Invest in tools or hire a qualified tax professional. If this helped you make sense of state business taxes, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to Small Biz Forum, and share this with a fellow business owner. Thanks for watching, and remember, CFG Merchant Solutions is here to help your business grow.